Hi there, and welcome to Born to Speak English. If you're new here, this channel is all about making learning English easy and fun. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your skills, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to learn some simple phrases and greet others in English. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about greetings. These are the phrases you'll use when meeting someone for the first time or when you see them again. Here are some of the most common ones. Fostering a culture of belonging. Hello. This is the most common way to say hi to someone. You can use it with anyone, anytime. Hi. This is a shorter, more casual way to say hello. You can use it with friends, family, or anyone you're familiar with. Good morning. Use this greeting when you see someone in the morning, usually before 12 p.m. Good afternoon. This is used after 12 p.m. when the day is starting to get a little later. And when it's evening, say good evening to be polite, p.m. These are just a few ways to greet someone in English. You can mix and match them depending on the time of day or how formal you want to be. Practice makes perfect. That's it for today's lesson. We covered some greetings. Remember, practice is key, so try these out with your friends or even in front of the mirror. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in speaking English. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future lessons. See you next time and keep practicing. Bye.